customer comment about getting the OS version from SnapShots. Let's look at that. Hey everybody, this is Tom's Tech Show, and had a comment about, you can get snapshots, what VMs have snapshots in VMware, but what if you need more information? There's OS version, there's a bunch of different things that you can get. So let's look at that. It's going to be pretty quick ones, but we got to go through a couple of extra steps. So we want to do, we get our PowerShell up here, and we've already connected to Virtual Center. We're all set up there, so we can do VM. We're just going to call this vmsnapshot equals get VM. We don't want everything. We want things that say get snapshot, and then we're going to pipe that, and we're going to select VM and name. So this is kind of an odd one because here VM is the name of the VM and the name is the name of the snapshot. So we just run that. We'll come back and give us that. So then we can look at VM snapshot, and that gives us all of these snapshot things that are here. So, but we want some more information. So how do we do that? Well, we can do VM snapshot, and we can add a field. We can do add member, call it name it guest. So that's going to be the guest operating system that's in the guest. And we're going to give it a member type of NoteProperty. And then we're just going to give it a value of nothing. So boom, that's going to basically add a field to that array. Now here is where the long fun part comes in, and I don't want to type all of this. So we're going to do some copy and paste, but we'll go over it here. Okay, so here is a piece of a loop that we go through. So for Q here, for Q equals, so we're going to do for Q equals 0, Q less than the count of items in our VM snapshot list. And we're going to increment each time. So then we're going to take the VM snapshot and then Q. So we're going to iterate through all of these. We're creating a for loop to iterate through every item, and then we're going to use that to get VM snapshot based on the name and select the property, the expanded property of GuestID. If you don't use expand property, then it adds a bunch of extra characters to that. So it's a little bit long. I mean, all of this code will of course be in the description down below, so we run this, and this loops through all of our VMs, comes back. Now we can look at our VM snapshot list, and now we have all of our VMs, the snapshot name, and the guest that is loaded onto that snapshot. Okay, so we can do a few things with this. We can do VM snapshot, we can do sort object and do guest, and that will get us the list with it sorted by the guest operating system that's built on the system. So you can do a few things like that. You can do some other loops and filter out what items that you want and do that. So there you go. That's a way to get the guest operating system of a system that has a snapshot. Okay, thanks for watching. If you got any comments or questions on this video, please note that down below, and I'll try and get back to you. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.